everyone. So it is officially day 2 of 2018 and I'm on my lunch break for work. Thought I would kind of give you guys an update of how or what I'm planning to do for the first month of Create Your Year, which is health. I totally didn't have time to do any sort of meal prep or anything, so I was like, I need to do something that's like kind of healthy for lunch. So I got Subway, literally just turkey, cheese, and spinach on my thing with some vinegar. Also, I like really need coffee, and I have been such a big soda drinker recently, guys, that I was craving it so hard and I had to like force myself to not get soda. So I got vanilla iced coffee from Starbucks, which also isn't that healthy, but it's better than like a holiday drink or a frappuccino or something with insane amounts of syrup. So we're just gonna go with it. But today after work, my goal is to hopefully stop by the gym and also get to go grocery shopping so I can start meal prepping and bringing my own lunches and hopefully be healthy. Yay! And I'm gonna look through some recipes and stuff, so if I find anything good, I will show you guys. Hello world, I just got back from Trader Joe's and I bought a casual $137 worth of stuff, and I tried to keep it so healthy, and I think I did a pretty good job. So I'm just gonna speed lightning around, show you guys what I got in case you're interested, and go to Trader Joe's. All right, we got some pita pockets, whole wheat. You can stuff stuff in here, it's better than bread. Raspberries for my breakfast. Bunch of Cliff Bars for work. Romano Caesar dressing for salads. Some potatoes, because I never cook those things. I got sliced apples because today I was gonna get whole apples, but they didn't really, the selection was weird. And to go with my apples, I got almond butter. I don't know if this is healthy, but I like this. Ravioli. The butternut squash, I thought that sounded like a healthy thing to eat, so I just like tried it. Jamie's laughing at me. But this kind is bomb, guys. It's the roasted cauliflower and cheese mezzalune. Delish. Chicken tenders, and by chicken tenders, I mean breast tenders. I got some black beans. Next bag. Jamie's having a field day. She thinks I'm so funny. I know I am. Okay, bag number 2. We got some lemon poppy seed muffins because I think that sounds like a healthy alternative to cookies, which I like really had to try not to buy. Bananas. I got some spices because I'm gonna try and make okay, I'm giving away the next part. I got ground turkey, but I'm gonna try and make it like taco seasoning, but my own taco seasoning. So I got ground cumin because I looked it up and apparently that's like Mexican flavors. I don't know. I got broccoli, more broccoli, some limes. I got some large navel oranges. If anybody knows what that's from, I probably can't put that in there. Oh my God. Okay, guys. Fun fact about myself, my favorite cheese is ricotta cheese, and I love cheese. Like, cheese is my favorite food. Ricotta cheese, bless the heavens above. I bought a case of it, and I'm gonna really try and look up something I can make with that because I love ricotta cheese. Raspberry jam, apple cider vinegar, because this is another thing that I've heard just is like life-changing, gift from the gods. So I got some apple cider vinegar so we can play with that. Hummus dip, delicious. Yogurt, low-fat Greek yogurt, plain. Honestly, this is a lot of stuff for $137. Like, that's half of my items that I got. All right, we're on to bag number 3. My favorite guacamole in the whole wide world. It's avocados number. LOL, science jokes. I don't know. Is that a science joke or a math joke? I don't know, but this guac is delicious because it doesn't have anything in it besides like avocados. Organic power to the greens, baby kale, baby chard, and baby spinach. I don't know why it's all babies, but there you go. This pizza, it's like a breakfast pizza. If you put eggs on it, it's really good. Shout out to my cousin. It's French style flatbread with ham, caramelized onions, and Gruyere cheese. Ooh. Some mangoes because I like making smoothies. Frozen edamame because I love edamame. Frozen pineapple. Fancy shredded Mexican cheese blend to go with my ground turkey. 2% milk because I think I just kind of made up that milk makes my stomach weird. It really, I don't think it ever did, and I don't think it does. I just started drinking almond milk one day because I thought that was a thing, but I'm going back to milk. Mango sorbet because mangoes are my favorite fruit. Stir fry vegetables to try and make my own like chicken fried rice because they have soyaki sauce at Trader Joe's. If you've never had it, you need it. It's delicious. 3 cheese sauce. It's the best sauce at Trader Joe's. Get it for your pasta. We on the last bag. We got bread, whole grain, large eggs for breakfast and lunch and dinner, honestly. Pita chips for my hummus. brown rice cakes, which I like to eat with peanut butter and craisins. I didn't buy any craisins though, so I guess we can't do that. Orange peach mango juice for my smoothies. This stuff's pretty good. Ancient grains and nuts granola. I like to eat granola with yogurt, milk, and fruit. Here's the other 2 spices I got for my taco stuff. Chili, lime seasoning, and garlic powder. I got, this probably isn't that healthy, but it's like a quick kind of thing to eat in the morning. It's just instant oatmeal, organic brown rice, baby carrots, fancy berry medley for my smoothies, and last but not least, a little tiny can of tuna. Okay, so that is all the stuff I got. Hopefully I'll be able to consistently use this and not eat out anymore, because eating out is not good for you. And I was checking like sodium content and a lot of this stuff, trying to get the healthiest options. So I'm hoping that this is gonna go well, because I know that I'm so lazy and I'm not gonna want to cook, but I'll keep you updated, and yay, let's all get healthy. Woo woo. Hi guys, so it's January 10th right now. LOL that we still have Christmas decorations up. I'm currently home on my lunch break from work, and I thought I would kind of give you a quick update of how this month has been going. So I am really sad because I started off the month super strong. I feel like the first couple of days I was like going to the gym, eating pretty healthy. I showed you all the stuff I bought from Trader Joe's, and then I got sick, which put a huge damper on everything. I wasn't super sick, but it was enough to where like I didn't want to work out. I didn't feel good. I was going to bed super early every night, which is a good thing. Honestly, wasn't drinking as much water as I should have been. But that totally put a wrench in the plan. So I've been feeling better the past couple of days. So I've been slowly going back to try and do more active things. I went to the gym, and I'm going to plan on going tonight and starting to get back into it. My main issue so far has just been finding time to go, because it's nice. I work a lot closer to home now, because I just recently switched offices. So that's good. I have a little bit more time, but it's just, I'm sure all of you working people know that at the end of the day you're exhausted and you don't want to go to the gym, but they always say it's the hardest part is just getting yourself to the gym, which I find true. Mariana and I had to go out in the freezing cold the other day to our little apartment gym, and we really didn't want to, but we forced ourselves, and once I was there I felt so good, and we were able to like stretch, and just you feel a lot better. The other thing I've been doing that's been helping a lot too is just, even when I was sick, like if you go out to eat, try to consciously pick the slightly healthier option of whatever you want. Like the other day, I'll show you a post if you want to follow me on Instagram. There was a post of what I got, but I went out to brunch, and I really wanted to get this delicious French toast with like caramel bananas and drizzle and all this unhealthy stuff, or an omelet. And I was like, okay, the omelet is healthier a little bit. And my boyfriend got pancakes, so I had a bite of those. So I got my sweet tooth in. But just trying to make slightly healthier decisions. Right now I'm I'm eating my leftover Chipotle, which like honestly Chipotle is pretty healthy, but I made a green smoothie, not branded by Starbucks. This is so delicious. It's literally just spinach, a whole banana, some orange juice, some frozen mango, and frozen pineapple. Trader Joe's has the best frozen fruit. I'm sure you saw earlier in this video. It's so good. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update, but I'm gonna try, you guys, going to the gym every day, or at least every other day or something from now on for the rest of the month, and gonna try and start cooking some more healthy things, because I haven't been cooking badly, but it's just hard. I'm sure y'all can bear with me. Hope everyone's month is going well so far. Hashtag create your year. Work, work, work. Hi guys, so I'm a super huge fail, and I have not been recording basically anything this month. It's been hard. I'm sure any of you who know that you're trying to get healthy and work out, it's so difficult to get yourself to go, / to feel up to it, / to find time, whatever. Right now I was just going to show you super quick 2 cute pairs of leggings that I got. I really love the Fabletics leggings. If you guys haven't heard about it, you should check it out. It's like one of those monthly subscription, not like a box, but it's like they pick out outfits for you every month and you can skip it if you want. I don't know, I just do it when they have deals, but they're super cute. The first ones that I got are these high-waisted black ones. They have some like mesh at the bottom, and I like that they're a little bit high-waisted. Their stuff is super good quality, so I'm really a huge fan of it, and the black is classic. These ones are full length, like long. And then I also got these like navy kind of powdery blue ones that are super cute. These ones are cropped, and they have this like mesh woven cutout thing on the sides. I've been really into the cutout. It's like kind of cute and fun, and I think it like makes the things slightly more breathable, the leggings. And these are just the regular like low-rise ones. I usually get them in small. They run pretty tight. I mean, obviously they're leggings, so they're supposed to, but yeah, I really like them, so you should check out Fabletics. I'm gonna try and give you guys like a final overall recap of the month a little bit in a couple of days when it's officially the end of the month, but just, I mean, being relatable, I'm struggling, but you know what? Going to the gym tonight, so let's go finish the month strong. Hi guys, so it's the last day of January and I decided to officially close out this video. It was kind of an uneventful one. I wish I would have done more specific shots showing you what I've been cooking and how I've been working out and all that stuff, but like I said in the last clip, it's been a little bit of a struggle transitioning to try and be healthy for the month. I'm sure all of you know, if you've tried to start, ooh, my food's done. If you've tried to start working out and eating clean, it's difficult, and that's why I think a lot of people fall off their goals. But I think as the month went on, it slowly got a little bit easier. My biggest thing was just stopping to eat out so much, which is going to help transition into the finance February next month. But even if you're not cooking super, super healthy at home, like it's still better than eating El Pollo Loco all the time, which is what I did at work. So that's helped. And then getting yourself to the gym at least a couple times a week. Like I really didn't go to the gym that much this month, but it was significantly more than before because before I was going 0 times a month. So baby steps is the moral of this month. I hope that this has been exciting for you guys, / that you've been following along or maybe trying your own goals. We've had a couple people let us know that they really like this idea of doing the Create Your Year. So we're hoping to continue it and stay strong throughout the whole year, and I'm really excited to start February tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It's free and easy, and it'll just basically show you anytime I make new videos. So love to have you follow along, and thank you so much for the support so far. Let me know in the comments below how your month went or what month you're doing or what theme you're doing for the month, whatever. Just let me know how it's going for you and how your January went. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.